and welcome to another episode of Habitat for Humanity, Wisconsin River Area series, Make It in a Minute. In this series, I explain how to build easy, fun, and useful DIY projects using items that can be found in your local Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area restore. In this episode, I'll show you how to build this decorative bench out of old chairs and planks. First, as always, you'll need to find your supplies. For this project, you will need saws and measuring tools, drills and screws, paint, several strips of lumber, and of course, your chairs. All of these items and more can be found at your local Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area restore. Your chair should have low wooden cushioningless backs and no arms. Begin your project by removing the seats from your chairs. This process will be different depending on the chairs you chose. Your second step will be to paint the chairs. For mine, I chose to paint the chairs entirely with multiple layers of off-white to complement the dark mahogany stain we'll use on the seat later. Speaking of the lumber, I found a large section of cut rough oak to use for my seat. Decide how long you want your bench to be and cut your lumber accordingly. Make sure your pieces are as close to equal length as possible. After you've done that, sand your boards and make sure they all line up on your chairs before staining. Stain or paint your boards however you want using Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area's large selection of Amazon paints. Now all that's left to do is place your boards and screw them into place, and with that, your bench is complete. This project is great for a decorative piece in your garden or an entry bench into your home. Have you tried this project before? How did it go? Do you have any suggestions to improve this project? Let us know down in the comments below. Be sure to also thumbs up this video and subscribe to our channel to be notified anytime a new monthly Make It in a Minute project is uploaded. Check the description for more information on Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area, such as locations, how to volunteer, and a link to our Facebook page. Thank you for watching.